Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a bit different. So I've been trying to learn Polish for some while now. So in today's video, I will try to prepare with you this gingerbread cake mix, and I will try to tell you what we will be using and try to give you some instructions in Polish. So for all my Polish subscribers and for all Polish that is watching, let me know what I didn't get correctly in the comments. Let's get started. Teraz przygotować ciasta. Chcę taki dużo miski. I excited ten. I doleję do miski. Teraz dodajemy jajka. Nie wiem, czy widać, co ja robię. Dobra. I teraz to jest olej. Też do miski. Dobra. I ostatnie mleka. Dobra. Teraz mieszamy. Z boku też. Zobacz. Wygląda taki. Dobra. To jest zapach przyprawny jest co to jest amazing smell. Cudowny. Zobacz. Dobra. To już mieszane. I teraz do formy. Teraz za ten. Dobra. Teraz jest prawie ok. Dobra. Mam to. I teraz naleję tutaj. Bardzo ładnie jest. Teraz do piekarniki. Now we'll put to the oven. And we'll bake at 180 degrees Celsius. This is the result. The cake is soft, moist, and full of warm spices. See how moist. Perfect for tea or hot chocolate or even with your coffee. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this type of video, let me know in the comment, and also tell me what do you think about this video. Remember to give this video a like because it also helps support my channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. It's totally free of cost. See you in the next one.